Ndewonu. Ndị ọma. Mere. Hello everyone, how you doing my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Anyị na-aga ịmụ banyere ezinụlọ taa. Today, we'll be learning about family. We'll learn what to call members of the family in Igbo. We'll take them in parts so that you do not feel overwhelmed and it's easier for you to grasp. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you're notified every time a new video is put up. Alright, now you've done that. Let's get started. So the first one is male. Nwoke. Nwoke. That's male. Female. Nwanyị. Nwanyị. Wife. Nwunye. Nwunye. Husband. Di. Di. So to say my husband, you say dim. Being the pronoun mine. Okay? So my husband is dim. Mom. Nne. Nne. Or we can say ma. Or we can also say mama. Right? So we have nne, ma, mama. They all mean mother. So whichever one is comfortable for you or it's easier for you, you can use that. So to say my mom, I would say name. Remember I said is the pronoun mine. Don't worry, we'll learn about pronouns later. Okay, so you say my mom, my mother. Mom, my mother. Right? Okay, on to the next one. Father or dad. Nna. Nna. You can also say mpa or papa. Yeah, so just like mom or mother, we have nna for father, mpa or papa. Okay, hope you got that. Now the next one is parents. Parents. So parents is mom and dad. In Igbo we say nne na nna. That's parents. Nne na nna. That's parents. Okay. Child. Nwa. Nwa. That's child. Now baby. Nwa ọhụrụ. Nwa ọhụrụ. Now, nwa means child and ọhụrụ means new. So, literally, a baby in Igbo is a new child, right? So, when a child is still new, that's a baby. So, we say nwa ọhụrụ. That's baby. Now, what happens when this child is a daughter? We say nwa nwanyị. Nwa nwanyị. If you remember very well, we learned that female is nwanyị. So what this means is a female child. That's a daughter, right? Now, son. So following the same pattern, a son would be a male child, right? So what do you think that would be? Correct. Nwa nwoke. That is male child. Nwa nwoke. Okay, now there's a word for first borns or first kids in the family, right? So if it's a first daughter and a first son, there's a specific word we use for them. So for a daughter, first daughter, we don't just say nwa nwanyị. We say ada. So Ada refers to a first daughter. Ada, that is first daughter. Now for first son, we say Okbara. Okbara, that's first son. So first daughter is Ada, and first son is Okbara. All right. Moving on. Sibling. Sibling. One name. That's sibling. Now remember, sibling is gender neutral, right? So one name could be your male sibling or your female sibling. Now, if you want to differentiate it, okay, you want to say this is my brother or this is my sister. We also have words for that in Igbo. So for a brother, we say nwanne nwoke. Nwanne nwoke. Yes, that is male male sibling. Sorry, nwanne nwoke. For a sister, we say nwanne nwanyị. Nwanne nwanyị. That is female sibling. All right. Okay. Now we have another one, which is twins. Twins. Yeah. So how do we say twins in Igbo? We say ejima. Ejima. That's twins in Igbo. Yes. So when the twins are when they are triplets now, we say ejimato, right? Showing that there are twins, but instead of the regular two, they are three in number. Okay, that's triplets. Ejima ato. And so it goes on. So quintuplets, quadruplets, however it is, you just keep adding the number, right? Ejima ato, if there are three, ejima and no, if there are four, and so on. All right. Anyị ga-akwụsị ihe ọmụmụ taa ebe a. We'll stop here for today's lesson. Ngwa kụọrọ onwe gị aka. Clap for yourself. Ịgbalịala. Well done. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Your likes encourage me to keep making videos like this, so please don't leave without giving us a thumbs up. Also leave a comment below because I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to keep practicing because practice makes perfect. So practice, practice, practice. God day.